I made $1,300 day trading the Nasdaq this morning. There are my trade receipts for our buy trade, and here's how I did it. Trade recap for Tuesday, May 27th. Not financial advice. Starting with daily bias. As we know, we check bias on the daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour timeframes. So here we see an invalid 4-hour bearish fair value gap, and we are clearly in a bullish trend on the high timeframe. The only major bearish higher timeframe confluence is a large 1-hour fair value gap above. As the market opens, price starts to dump. We tap into 4 different high timeframe bullish fair value gaps as listed. When this happens, we switch down to lower timeframe for execution. If this sounds confusing to you, learn all ICT confluences on our YouTube. Also, we post trades, educational content, market news, stock positions, etc. All in our free Discord. Link is in the bio of our TikTok and YouTube channel. On the 5-minute chart at 9:35, we get a reaction off of the lowest of the 4 fair value gaps. Price makes a high before drawing down on the 1-minute. This is when we enter with our stop loss at the bottom of the lowest fair value gap that we just tapped into. Our first take profit is the most obvious, at the top of the London 15-minute consolidation, also in the bearish 1-hour gap. This gets hit quickly. The second and final take profit floated in this 1-hour gap. There's not much to go off of, so I just got out right before lunch at 12. Any take profit within the fair value gap would have hit, though. That was our trade. 3.4 risk to reward ratio where I exited, plus $1,300, not bad for one trade. Not really any high impact news today, but be careful of meeting minutes tomorrow. The market might just consolidate, but who knows? We'll be looking for a trade if a good setup is there.